Good morning, friends and family. Here's an update. It's about 20 degrees outside, but we are painting with stinky paint at 5 o'clock in the morning. And I wanted to show you what we're doing. So this is a third or fourth coat on the ceiling. So I'm hoping this is gonna work. Dwayne is taking some glue off, or dried paint, off the side. And I'm about to primer the walls that we have been muddying and repairing. This is the original old drywall. We didn't want to take it down. And if any of you guys have worked on old houses, you'll understand why we decided not to take the ceiling down, because you never know what's underneath it. And
it's in good shape though.
It's probably fine, but we'd rather spend our money saving it for our future cabin. So we're gonna get done what we need to get done here to make it livable. So stay tuned to see how this comes out. We're primering the drywall with drywall primer because there's so much mud. Prime. And the daylight has come. Okay, the ceiling is finally finished. It is all nice and white. And now I am taping off the trim because we're gonna cut in and start painting the walls. And then we'll paint these trims later. It'll be another project. And then Dwayne rebuilt this because if you guys remember, there was this fake fireplace right here and they cut through this trim. So that's all repaired. All right, so back to taping, which is tedious. You guys don't want to watch that. Look at this pretty color. So the room is all taped off. I thought we were gonna cut in.
Cut in.
He just can't help himself.
Drywall texture. The old wrinkled up drywall we're going over.
It's better than replacing. Yep, it's
That's
better.
good though. It's like texture, natural 100-year-old texture.
There you go. Wow. We still have crown molding to put up.
What?
I was just taking a picture.
Oh.
It looks good. It's very wet, so it's not the final.
Yeah, it looks all uneven and everything. Just gotta let it dry for a little.
It looks so much better. My gosh, just imagine this with a wood floor. Oh, it's gonna be so beautiful.
Yeah. and the pop and trim.
Yeah, but the trim
pops.
The trim will be white.
It'll be bright white. Popping white.
All right, we're gonna hang up some lights, but I had to show you. It's so pretty outside. Oh, look at it. So pretty. It's snowing like crazy. Okay, we have one light up, and now we're gonna put up this light.
Gotta feed it through the hollow mounting threaded tube. Make sure we keep all our labels intact. There we go, all the labels intact. Okay.
Wow. And we're having a blizzard.
Yeah.
It's so pretty though. As long as you don't have to be in it or drive in it.
Okay.
Ta-da! Ta-da! It is up. Okay, this is at nighttime. However, there'll be white ground molding up there. But this is how it came out. So what do you think? We still have some touch up, but overall, I think we did pretty good. So we pulled up the paper from the living room because we're done painting and stuff in here, and our couch should be coming. And the floors are so beautiful. Look at them. They just need a little polishing. So I don't know, it's kind of torn. We have these rugs to put down to protect the floor, but we'll see. It's so beautiful. And there'll be a new front door there someday. We have it in the shed. It's just too cold outside to switch doors.
What, 9 degrees?
I know. It is 7:02 in the morning, New Year's Eve. We're heading up to the property to get some things out of storage, but we don't know if we'll actually be able to make it all the way back into there.
They haven't plowed in about 3 weeks.
So stay tuned to find out.
I'm road watching.
We're heading up to the property to get some things out of the storage. We don't know if we can get in. The neighbor said that there's 3 feet of snow. So we'll see if, does that mean from the beginning of winter? Or does that mean on the road since we were just up here 2 weeks ago? Guess we'll find out. Okay, Dwayne's trying to do slot car racing.
No.
Yes, you are.
It's rally car. Doing rally car races. And drive 5-degree temps.
Oh yeah, it's 5 degrees. Oh, you're going so fast.
Well, stuff is tacky. Watch, you want to see me hit the brakes?
No. Ah!
See?
Okay. Okay.
That's why there's so much traction.
I feel better now. Okay, it's 5 degrees outside. We just got to the property. I'm gonna record and see if we can get in. So stay tuned and watch. Okay, it's 5 degrees. I just started this with my nose because I can't touch anything. But I wanted to try to show you guys how deep it is. And it's not easy getting into the storage. So hold on, let me turn this around. So we did get in here. I don't know if you can see how deep it is. It might not be 3 feet, but it's deep. The 4Runner did get back here. It wasn't easy. It'd be better if he had chains. Dwayne's way down there trying to plow out the entrance, but it's so deep that the quad can't do it. So it's probably, I don't know. Here's my boot. I don't know, probably a foot, maybe 18 inches. Okay, and priorities. We came because we want our TV. It's so pathetic. Oh. Okay. All right, well, I got work to do. I have to dig out the other container to see what else is in there that we might want to take back while we're here. And get my face covered back up again because it's cold. Okay, super cold. I have to get this on video though. So you have to hike back in here, and of course I don't have snowshoes. And we're just pulling stuff out with a sled. So I think it's safe to say we can't get back here. So next year we got to get the snowblower on the tractor. So, all right, I need to get my gloves back on. Talk to you later.
And there's my lovely wife coming back with all the goods from the cabin, or the camper cabin. Did you have a productive trip?
Yes. I got everything but the sewing machine and glue gun.
Oh, that's all right.
Because it's in the shed and it's completely buried.
Did you lock everything up?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Did you see how much I got plowed out there?
I have to use my gun.
Oh, good. Did you see how much I got plowed out down there? Not very much.
Yeah.
It just bulked up so bad, I just forget it.
The snow was so deep when I went by the shed. I went like down this deep in my
Yeah.
in snow.
That's the totally unplowed.
And then my ankle got stuck and I thought I was gonna break my ankle.
Oh, no kidding.
So I had to like hack kind of like a step with my other leg so I could get leverage and pull myself out.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, I tell you what, the lesson learned, you just got to get up here after every snow, no matter what. Ah, spices in the snow. We were low on spices. Craziness.
Okay, we made it out. We had to dig out, but we made it out. It's daylight, and it's so beautiful.
Sunny.
It's like a winter wonderland.
Yeah.
So pretty with the mountains in the background. But it's still 5 degrees.
Yeah, still 5.
We got almost everything we came for. The most important thing, as pathetic as it is the TV.
Yeah, no kidding, huh?
Oh my
We really
God.
do need to get a small little hand router if we're doing that trim. So we
Oh yeah, we came to get the router.
Router
'cause
and
we have
the table.
Okay, well, so we came to get something important.
Yeah, but the shed was all snowed in with 3 feet of snow up against the door.
Yeah, it really is 3 feet. Jim was right. It was thigh deep. So, okay. My head hurts from trekking through the snow.
Digging, all the digging.
And digging. And heavy breathing. All right, back to the beauty.
Look at that pink
Oh, it's so pretty.
snow on the trees.
Okay, well, just enjoy the beauty from the video. Don't move here.